What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from John of Fort Collins, Colorado. After so many years of paying the insurance company, we had to make a claim on our property. We had a hailstorm which left some of the siding on the property damaged and exposed to the elements. It has taken the insurance company 6 months to call out an engineer and for him to deny the claim. Let's see, the claim was denied because the siding is, this doesn't make sense here, because the siding looks old and worn, and the adjuster said since the siding is so weathered, he would not pay the claim because the weathering caused the damage. This is just the way the siding wears. I don't think so. Let's see. Is denying the claim, it forces us to get a loan to pay for the hail damage since the insurance company is denying the claim. That was kind of pieced together. So I'll just say this, okay? It's not an appropriate response from the insurance company to say that it's just weathered, okay? When it's obvious hail damage, insurance companies hire engineering firms to come out, and we call them outcome-oriented vendors. The outcome that the insurance company is looking for is it's just weather, it's just wear and tear, it's just mechanical damage. All the crap that the engineers give the insurance company a reason to deny your claim. I can't tell you how many times engineering firms have sent me an engineer's report about wear and tear, foot traffic, thermal expansion, blah, 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 BS, okay? And we win those. You know why? Because their reports are full of crap. Their reports are not scientific. I had an engineer tell me that there was no damage to the roof and he didn't even do any intrusive testing. How do you know, Mr. Engineer? You didn't do your damn job. And this is what's happening to commercial property owners across the state of Colorado right now, is engineering firms are hired and paid by the insurance companies to create reports that have the outcome that helps the insurance company. Weird. So let me get this straight. Mr. Engineer, you're being paid by the insurance company? Yes. And you're giving them engineering reports that show the outcome that they need so they can deny a claim? Yes. Weird. So weird. But this is what's happening. And if you have a claim that you know is legitimate and they have their expert at the property to deny the claim with their expert engineering report because they have a couple initials after their name, don't buy it. Get somebody to fight for you and make sure. Sometimes the engineer might be right. What? But I'll tell you, by the time I get involved, they're usually not. And we've gotten claims paid in the millions of dollars, even though their engineer says it's not hail damage. It's foot traffic. It is wear and tear. It's marring. It's scuffed. All this crap that the engineers say, we've gotten claims paid in the millions of dollars because we know how to fight the insurance company and beat them at their own game. So if you have an insurance claim that you need help with on your commercial property, on your multifamily HOA or condo association, your industrial, medical, warehouse, residential, commercial, industrial, now I'm just repeating myself, right? But if you have a property insurance claim and you need help, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.